Hello everybody. Welcome to today's video. Today I want to walk you through HBA's back office, show you some of our products, and just kind of introduce my audience to the system that I am sharing and building an income stream with. I love this program. I've been online quite a long time, and I always come back to it because you need a funnel builder, but they've just added so much stuff. This new layout is just outstanding. So, what you're seeing right now is what's called our Let's Go app, and this kind of walks you through and helps you stay on track. We call it our magical morning routine, and you can come in here, you can create notes, you can create a journal. It has nice little quotes, so that you can download your journal entries as a PDF. And it just, like I say, it's nice. It gives you affirmations. You can, if you're ever running short on content ideas, you can come in here and look at some of this stuff. You can create a vision board. I haven't done that yet. I'm actually going to use something as part of our, excuse me, traffic maestro. I'm going to use to create a vision board that I can actually print out and not do the old style where you cut out stuff out of the magazine. So we've got quotes over here. And this is $10 a month. And of course, we are paid on $8 commissions for this particular product. So let's go home now and actually get inside. We have a lot of stuff. I'm sure a lot of you are familiar with the funnel builder. I will do a more in-depth walkthrough of that. But there's just a lot of great training inside of this. You can, HBA has their own emailer. I will show you that. You don't have to be signed up with GetResponse and Aweber anymore. So that was really cool. That was like a game changer for me because I got everything that I need right inside of here. You can even buy your domain through them. So you don't have to go do any of that DNS setting stuff and all that. It'll all be done with one click once you purchase your domain through them. But the funnel builder, have your own courses, or, you want to design your own things, you definitely can. But HBA has a turnkey system now where if you're new to marketing or if you just don't have a lot of time like me, you know, um, my target really is, men and women who are about my age and we're worried about our retirement now. It's time to really get busy and start making some money. And this is just a great place to do that. You can learn while you earn here. You truly can. I don't make any guarantees because some people join stuff and don't put in work. I happen to put in work, as you see. Um, but this is the Funnel Builder Academy. A lot of things that tell, and I mean, they walk you through step by step. But here's our done for you funnels, and they've got everything's just set up. You don't have to come in here and know really anything about anything. If you can copy your link, then you're set to go. And this is my favorite right here, premium. Premium is $125 per month. So for everybody that you sign up, you will get $100 of that. So for the funnel builder, $25. So with Let's Go, the Funnel Builder Academy, and Premium, you will be at about $160 per month. But you're going to get $128 from every person that signs up. It's going to be really easy now to bring people in because of our premium tools and what's called Traffic Maestro. We have all of our AI. As you can see, I've got all these tabs open. This is ChatGPT. I still use ChatGPT. We are given 5 free credits per day, which is more than enough to do everything you need to do inside of here. And I'm going to do another video after this one that walks you through everything that Traffic Maestro can do. It has a AI writing assistant for content creation, an image generator. We have Smart Posts, and what Smart Post is, it will post to all of your platforms that you connect to it. So that's like a game changer. A lot of the scheduling apps, you have to pay for those. So, HBA Premium is really definitely worth the money just with these tools alone. I'm spending like money for HeyGen and all of that. I do a lot more in-depth things But this, what's so cool inside of here is you connect your YouTube channel. It will generate the video description, the video tags. You can edit your video. You can it will post it for you. Everything you can do, all of your video creation right inside of here. It even creates your thumbnails for you. It gives you like split tests A and B where you can actually come in here, and if you want to split test some thumbnails, you can do that. We have the email alchemist that will write your emails for you. So, I don't have a lot of time to spend. I work a full time job and I actually go to school in the morning. So I work at night, I go to school in the morning. And, building a business can be hard, especially, for those of us over 40, we don't have the same amount of energy that we used to have. So this is just was a complete game changer. And I am really, I'm in with HBA for the long haul now. I'm looking to build a residual income, and you know i haven't I haven't really got into the financial literacy academy yet. Um, it's a bit pricey, but it's definitely worth it. It's a one-time payment, or you can break it up into some different payments. So when you first join, if you want to get this, they give you it like at a ridiculously low price, and if you don't have funds to get it then, that's where they'll do the you can upgrade to it later, but the price has gone up, of course, because you missed that one time deal. But it's great. I plan to go all in and get that in the next couple weeks, or maybe a month or two. So as you can see in premium, not just with Traffic Maestro, but we have teach you how to get leads. If you want to get paid traffic, there's paid traffic here for Facebook ads, just text message. I mean, look at all this training. That's why I say this premium is worth all of it. And you're being trained by multiple six-figure earners, Mike Hobbs and Paul Hutchins. They know their stuff. They've been in the game a very long time, and HBA has been around for, I think August will be our 10-year reunion. So, 10-year anniversary. So, this isn't a fly-by-night company that's going to be gone here today and gone tomorrow. Then we have daily coaching for those that are premium members, and we have a bonus vault. It's just, this is an absolute gold mine here. Look at all of this stuff that you get access to. So, we have training on affiliates. There's just everything that you need for a home-based business. So I'm hoping that you'll want to plant your flag with me and grow together. If that's something you're interested in, link will be down below this video in the description. By all means, feel free to join me. Once you join me, I will put my information to connect with me on Facebook, or you can shoot me a text via Google Voice, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But I'm looking to build with this, and I really want some people that want to build a long-term business. I'll be there every step of the way with you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that button and smash that subscribe button so you get notified of the next latest and greatest video. I will catch you again soon, and that closes out the HBA back office walkthrough. Catch you again. God bless.